In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Demonologist mic not working. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Check basic hardware and connections. Ensure your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Check for hardware issues by testing your microphone in another application. For example, a voice recorder or another game. Step number 2. Set the correct default microphone. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the recording menu. Right-click your microphone and select and set as default communication device. Click OK to save the changes. Step number 3. Update audio drivers. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the audio input and output section. Right-click your microphone and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Step number 4. Check microphone privacy settings. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Microphone. Ensure that Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. Scroll down to ensure Demonologist has access to the microphone. Step number 5. Configure in-game settings. Open Demonologist. Go to the Settings or Option menu. Navigate to the Audio section. Ensure the correct microphone is selected in the Input Device options. Adjust the microphone volume and sensitivity settings if necessary. Step number 6. Check Windows Sound Settings. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Under Input, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Click on Device Properties and test the microphone to ensure that it is working properly. Step number 7. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then go to Update and Security, then go to Troubleshoot. Select Recording Audio and run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect the fixed issues. Step number 8. Restart game and computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Close Demonologist and restart your computer. Launch the game again and test the microphone. Step number 9. Check the game updates. Ensure that you are running the latest version of Demonologist. Check for any available updates and install them. Step number 10. Reinstall audio drivers if necessary. Go to Device Manager, right-click your microphone and select Uninstall device. Restart your computer to automatically reinstall the driver. Step number 11. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to the Demonologist support team for further assistance. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.